Hello, students. Today we will discuss the chapter of the story that's name is Minnie's Umbrella. As we have discussed question A yesterday, now today we will discuss question from question B up to the last one. So now, what is question B saying? Question B saying that match the following. Okay, so some persons are given and some things are given at the right one and some persons are given at the left one. You have to match them with the correct combination. Okay, so now what in the story, father is related to what? Father is related to pasta because father was cooking pasta na. So father cooked pasta, so we will sorry match father with pasta. Okay, what was mother? Mother baked cupcakes. Okay, so Venu rollies to board game. Okay, and there is a person that's name is Venu. Venu to storybook and Kanu to umbrella. Okay, so in this manner you can match the given questions. Now let's move ahead to the next one, and this is answer these questions. What did Minnie's cake look like? The cake looked the cake looked like a house. Okay, the cake looked like a house. So just fill house here. What did Minnie's new umbrella look like? The umbrella was blue with two ears and eyes. Okay, two ears and eyes. So now third, where did Minnie take the umbrella? Minnie took the umbrella in the market. Let me erase first. In the market. ओके, जो बच गया है, जो मैंने इरेज कर दिया उसको, इसको थर्ड वाला लिखने से पहले उसको पहले पॉज करके वीडियो आप लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद थर्ड पे जाएंगे आप. द अम्ब्रेला, हाउ डिड द अम्ब्रेला हेल्प मिनी? द अम्ब्रेला केप्ट मिनी सेफ फ्रॉम सन. ओके, सेफ फ्रॉम सन, जस्ट सिंपल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन में क्या हो गया? द केक लुक लाइक अ हाउस. Second one, the umbrella was blue with two ears and eyes. Third, Minnie took the umbrella in the market. And the fourth one, the umbrella kept Minnie safe from sun. Okay, now let's move ahead to the next one. What's in use? Minnie has a busy week. Look at the things marked on the calendar. Answer the questions. ठीक है, so आपको यहाँ पर कुछ कैलेंडर्स दे रखे, कैलेंडर्स के डेज दे रखे हैं. उस पर उसके हर डेज पे कोई काम अलॉटेड है. ठीक है, कोई वर्क अलॉटेड है, उस डे पे करना है इसको. तो आपको यहाँ पर फिल करना है. तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ ऑन विच डे इज़ मिनीज बर्थडे. तो आप खोजेंगे कि मिनीज का बर्थडे कब पड़ रहा है. तो इट इज़ व्हाट यू हैव सीन, इट इज़ संडे. सो ऑन Sunday. Minnie's birthday is on Sunday. Okay, now on which day is her school picnic? So just look at, so on Friday. School picnic is on Friday. If today is Tuesday, what day was it yesterday? अगर आज ट्यूसडे है तो उसके एक दिन पहले क्या था? सो ऑब्वियसली एक दिन पहले वह क्या रहा होगा? दैट इज मंडे. दैट इज Monday. If yesterday was Tuesday, what day is it today? अगर कल ट्यूसडे था तो आज कौन सा दिन होगा? Obviously it's Wednesday. Okay, now I am going to erase this. Let's move ahead. If yesterday was, sorry, on which day will Minnie prepare for her picnic? So on Thursday. Thursday, okay, just you can see here, on Thursday Minnie was preparing for a picnic. Okay, so just fill here Thursday. Okay, now next, on which day will Minnie visit her grandmother? So just check it. Say visit her grandmother on Saturday, so just fill Saturday here. Okay, so with this we have done question D also. Now come to question E. Fill in yesterday, today or tomorrow. It is Monday today. अब क्या करना है यहाँ पर? आज अगर मंडे है तो वॉज संडे, संडे कब रहा होगा? एस्टरडे वॉज संडे. ओके, इट्स ऑब्वियस. एस्टरडे वॉज संडे. ओके, नाउ इट्स वेडनेसडे टुमारो. ओके, कल अगर वेडनेसडे है तो आज क्या होगा? सो इट इज़ ट्यूसडे. ठीक है, टुडे इज़ ट्यूसडे. टुडे, सो सेकेंड में क्या फिल करेंगे? टुडे इज़ ट्यूसडे. सो थर्ड वन, इट वॉज फ्राइडे एस्टरडे. सो कल अगर फ्राइडे था, ठीक है, सो टुडे इज सैटरडे. इट्स ऑब्वियस, टुडे इज अगेन टुडे. नाउ इट्स थर्सडे टुडे. ओके, सो आज अगर थर्सडे है तो फ्राइडे कब होगा? टुमारो. सो यहाँ पर क्या फिल करेंगे? टुमारो. Okay, tomorrow is Friday. Okay, now let's move ahead to the next one. Add D or ed to the doing words. Okay, D or ed. if, अब देखो यहाँ पर D कब लगाएंगे, ed कब लगाएंगे? जब लास्ट में ई दिया हो. क्या दिया हो? ई दिया हो. तो हम क्या करेंगे? केवल D लगा देंगे. और लास्ट अल्फ़ाबेट क्या हो? ई ना हो तो हम क्या करेंगे? ed लगाएंगे. क्लियर? तो जब ई लगा होगा, लास्ट अल्फ़ाबेट ई होगा, देन वी विल ऐड डी ओनली. एंड इफ इट इज़ नॉट, देन वी विल ऐड ई डी. सो नाउ लेट्स डू दिस. लव ends with e, so what we will add? D. So what will it become? It become loved. Okay, loved. Now like ends with e, so what will we will add? D. So what it will become? Liked. Now dance ends with e, so just add D. What it will become? Danced. Smile ends with e, so what we will add? D. So what will it become? Smiled. SMILED. And the last one is bake, ends with e, so what will you add? D. So it will become baked. Okay, so we have done the D1. Okay, adding D1. Now we will do adding ed. So talk ends with some another letter. Okay, so what we will add? We will add ed, so it will become talked. Now walk, walk ends with again k, so it is not e, so what we will add, ed, so it will become walked. Climb again ed, climb, climbed. Again laugh, laughed हो जाएगा. And the last one is jump, then jumped ed, not jumped, it is jumped. Okay, so in this way we have done question F also. Now let's move ahead to the next one, and the question G. Write the doing words correctly. Minnie opened her gifts in the evening. She walked to the market with her mother. So what we will add? We will add ed with walk and fill it here. Okay, so walked. In the second one we will fill walked. Third, out of the window to see if it was raining. So look, it is given, so looked, add ed here and fill here, looked, looked. And the fourth one, people when they saw Minnie with her umbrella, so then people smiled only. Okay, smiled, so fill smile here, smiled, add ed with smile. Okay, the children, the food at the party, so love is given, so fill add d here and fill it, so loved, loved, loved. Now the last one, they thanked Minnie and her parents, so thanked, thanked. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Let's talk. Question H. Look at the doing words in the box. Ask your partner questions and he or she can answer as shown. Can you sing? Yes, I can. Can you dance? No, I can't. Can you fly? No, I can't fly, but I can swim. So laugh, cook, read, run, skip, shout and hop. ओके, सो आपको ये क्या करना है इसमें जो भी क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं, जो भी ये हिंट्स दे रखे हैं बॉक्स में, इनका यूज़ करना है जस्ट सिमिलर वे में जैसे ये लिखा हुआ है, और आपको अपने फ्रेंड से बात करनी है इस तरीके से. सो कैन यू लाफ, कैन यू कुक, कैन यू रीड, कैन यू रन, कैन यू स्किप, लाइक दैट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव एट द next question and the last one. Question I. What did Minnie do on Saturday? Look at the clues and write. Minnie, her grandmother on Saturday. So what? Minnie visited. So what will fill here? Visited. So in the first one we will fill visited. Okay, this one. See her grandmother. Hello grandma, how are you? Okay, she greeted her grandmother, so what we will fill? Greeted. Grandma, a lovely fruit cake for Minnie, packed. Okay, sorry, baked. A lovely fruit cake for Minnie. Grandma packed some more cookies for Minnie's cat, packed. And the last one we will fill packed. So with this we completed the all exercises of chapter 5, Minnie's umbrella. So with this we end today's session. Thank you, bye bye, take care.